Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you brushing my teeth with charcoal and using small direct aligners. So I'm just gonna take them out. Actually, I cannot get them out. I have to use the aligner toolie thing. I'll be right back. So resuming back to where I was, I couldn't get my aligners out, which coincides with the manual. It's not very tight, but it's tight the first day and there's no wiggle room. So I'm gonna take it out on camera. Don't be grossed out. Oh! Oh! Ah! Alright. I'm alright, y'all. Okay. Now for the bottom half. Alright, that wasn't too bad. Was not too bad. Okay. So I just rinse them out. Put them in this little case. And that is me taking out my aligners to brush my teeth. So you start with about this much charcoal powder. Ew, it's wet. Oh, it's wet because my thing is wet. Okay. And I got this cool little Oral-B. It just kind of vibrates like shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. I honestly don't think it's doing anything. I just have it. Oh, here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Not too bad, right? I have to put him back. This is the secret to pearly teeth while you drink coffee and wine almost every day. Get this head right here. Oh, look, my mask is peeling. All done.